Can I have one pepperoni, one margarita, and one Hawaiian, please?
English together.
Hello and welcome to our channel. I'm Jack from English Together. In this video, we'll watch an enjoyable conversation story that can help you improve your English skills. After the conversation story, there's a vocabulary section where we'll learn useful words and phrases used in it. We'll provide definitions and examples to help you understand them better. Since these conversations are commonly used in our daily lives, listening to and repeating them will help you improve your English skills. Remember, repetition is key. So be sure to watch this video multiple times and practice saying the phrases out loud. Are you ready? Let's get started.
Ordering pizza.
Dad, I'm feeling really hungry. What's for dinner?
Your mom won't be home for dinner tonight. She is going out with her friends.
Oh no, who's going to cook for us?
No one. I'm not good at cooking. But we can order something. What would you like to eat?
I'm in the mood for some cheesy mouth-watering pizza.
That sounds like a great idea. Let me make the call and place the order for us.
Hello, Pizza Palace. How can I help you?
Hi, I'd like to order 3 pizzas, please.
Sure, what types of pizza would you like? We have some popular options like pepperoni, margarita, Hawaiian.
Can I have one pepperoni, one margarita, and one Hawaiian, please? And what sizes are available?
We offer small, medium, and large sizes. Which size would you prefer?
I'll go with a large size for all 3 pizzas, please.
Great choice. Any extra toppings or specific instructions for the pizzas?
No, thank you. Just the regular toppings for each pizza.
All right. So, that's 3 large pizzas. 1 pepperoni, 1 margarita, and 1 Hawaiian. Anything else?
Yes, I would also like 10 chicken wings and a 1-liter bottle of cola.
Perfect. Let me calculate the total for you. For the 3 pizzas, chicken wings, and cola, the total comes to $50. How would you like to pay?
I'll pay with cash, please.
Absolutely. The total is $50. When our delivery driver arrives, you can pay them in cash.
Sounds good.
For delivery, could you give me your address and phone number?
Certainly. The address is 334 East Street, Apartment B. And the phone number is 1234-1234.
Thank you for choosing Pizza Palace. Your order will be delivered to 334 East Street, Apartment B. It will take approximately 30 minutes for the delivery to arrive. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. Looking forward to it. Goodbye.
To place an order.
Let me make the call and place the order for us.
To place an order. To ask for or request something that you want to buy. Example. I need to place an order for a new book from the bookstore. Mouth-watering.
I'm in the mood for some cheesy mouth-watering pizza.
Mouth-watering. When something is mouth-watering, it means it looks or smells extremely delicious. Example.
The restaurant's menu is filled with mouth-watering options.
Topping. Great choice. Any extra toppings or specific instructions for the pizzas? Topping. Toppings are extra ingredients added on top of food to make it tastier or more interesting. Example. What toppings did you put on your ice cream? Popular. We have some popular options like popular. If something is popular, it means many people like it or enjoy it. Example. This movie is popular among audiences of all ages. Delivery. When our delivery driver arrives, you can pay them in cash. Delivery. Delivery refers to when something, like food or packages, is brought to your doorstep or a specific location. Example. The delivery arrived on time.
And that's all. Remember to watch this video again because repetition can help you in learning English. If you like our video, remember to like it and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. See you next time.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.